Good morning, friends. Today I would like to explain the topic addressing modes of 8085 microprocessor. From this 10 minutes class, I would like to explain the learning objectives. That is, after completion of this class, as a student, you can write what is the need of addressing modes of 8085 microprocessor, and you should able to compare the different addressing modes of 8085 microprocessor. First, I would like to explain what is addressing modes of 8085 microprocessor. What is addressing? Addressing is nothing but accessing the data. That is how the microprocessor can access the data for their operation from the peripheral devices. Our 8085 microprocessor has many peripherals like input device, output device and memory devices. And if you have to count the number of devices which are connected with that, it has many numbers. So microprocessor should specify from where the microprocessor want to retrieve the data and from which location that has to get the data. Here addressing mode is nothing but the way in which the microprocessor access the data for their operation. To perform any operation, we have to give the corresponding instructions to the microprocessor, because microprocessor is a machine that doesn't know. As a human being, we know what to do, when to do and how to do, but as a machine, each and everything we are going to give it. So for this case, in each instruction, programmer has to specify three things. The first one, operation to be performed, address of source data. In order to do that operation, what is the data and where they are located. That is address of source of data, address of destination of result. The method by which the address of source of data or the address of destination of result is given in the instruction is called addressing modes. Simply we said that the term addressing mode refers to the way in which the operand of the instruction is specified. In 8085 microprocessor, there are 5 types of addressing modes. The first one is direct addressing mode, second one register addressing mode, third one register indirect addressing mode, fourth one immediate addressing mode, and the fifth one implicit addressing mode. By the way of accessing the data for their operation, addressing modes of 8085 classified into those 5 categories. Now I will explain one by one. The first one, direct addressing mode. In this direct addressing mode, address of the operand is specified in the instruction. What is the address of the operand? That should be specified in the instruction. So while fetching the instruction and executes, microprocessor knows where is the data available for their operation. Here example for that case, LDA 2500H load the contents of memory location 2500H in accumulator. Here LDA is the operation, 2500H is the address of the source and accumulator is the destination. So from 2500H location, 8-bit data loaded into accumulator. So here in that case, address of the operand is specified in the instruction. That's why it is called as direct addressing mode instruction. The second one, register addressing mode instruction. In this mode, registers are going to be used for stores the data. In this mode, the operand is in general purpose register. Example for that case, move A, B, move the contents of register B to A. Here move is the operation, B is the source of data, and A is the destination. Third category, register indirect addressing mode instruction. The difference in between register indirect addressing mode and the previous one, register addressing mode, is the data to be operated is stored in the register and the register is specified in the instruction, whereas register indirect addressing mode instruction, address of the data is specified in the register app. So by executing that, microprocessor knows where is the address location. From that location, data has to be transferred over that. Example for the case, move A, M, move data from memory location specified by HL path to accumulator. Here move is the operation, M is the memory location specified by HL register path, and A is the destination. Fourth category, immediate addressing mode instruction. For the past three categories, we are speaking about address of the operand. Another one idea while inventing that microprocessor, why not specify the data in the instruction itself? That's why that immediate addressing mode existing in the case, whereas the data to be operated is specified in the instruction. The types of addressing mode are called immediate addressing mode instruction. In this mode, the operand that is to be operated, that is nothing but data, is specified within the instruction itself. Example for that case, move immediate A, 05H, move 05H in accumulator. Here MVI is the operation, 05H is the immediate data where H is specified hexadecimal and A is the destination. The last category, implicit addressing modes instruction. Here, if address of source of data as well as address of destination of result is fixed, that is source and destination both are fixed, then there is no need to give any operand along with the instruction. Example for that case, CMA, that is complement accumulator. Here the function of that instruction is just complementing the 8-bit data available in the accumulator. Whatever may be the data, you just it takes the complement and the result stored in the same accumulator. Here CMA is the operation, A is the source and A is the destination. Everything's are same. Now I conclude what I explained. For the past 8 minutes, I have explained that addressing modes of 8085 microprocessor. Basic concept, how the microprocessor access the data for that operation. The way in which the microprocessor access the data for their operation is known as addressing mode. It has 5 types: direct addressing mode, register addressing mode, register indirect addressing mode, immediate addressing mode, and implicit addressing mode. Implicit addressing mode. So totally 5 types of addressing modes available, and I have explained each and every types of addressing modes, example instructions. Now I hope that you will write what are the different types of addressing mode, and you can compare the different types of addressing modes available in 8085 microprocessor. Thank you.